Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and the Sport Appearance Package, giving you things such as the unique rims that come on this vehicle. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle there, with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with a running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And above that, you have your camera view. Again, you have your park assist sensor shut off, hazards, and your traction control shut off, as well as having a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, heated steering wheel. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt, 120-volt power outlet, and this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this compartment with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be folded out of the way for more open space here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.